Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm gonna show you today, guys, how you can get 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards points. Super easy, guys. This is quick and working for 2024. This is a redeem code, guys, that you can get 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards points, guys. So here we go, guys. This is the tutorial I'm gonna be showing you today, and it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, guys. You've just gotta follow all of the instructions and use your mobile phone. So use your mobile phone, guys. Go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys, to go to wavycoupons.com. They have tons of pages specialized in saving you cash. Go to the search bar, type micro. You're looking for the free Microsoft Rewards points code, guys. Go to this page. Now you can select this, which is a 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards points, verified 1 day ago. So click on show code, guys, and you're gonna see a new pop-up, guys, and this is gonna tell you, look, you need to unlock your code, guys. This Microsoft code is gonna give you 100,000 free points when you redeem it on the Microsoft Rewards website. So you need to unlock your code, guys. I've done this loads of times. I'm not gonna do it again. As you saw, I've already got 100,000 points. So you need to just basically click on show code, unlock code, and it's gonna bring up a new screen and it's gonna tell you how to get your code, guys. You need to just unlock your code by completing a couple of these free and easy tasks. Once you've done the tasks, your code will be fully revealed and you can then redeem it on the website, and it's gonna give you 100,000 free points. Pretty easy. Go to wavycoupons.com. Easy peasy lemon squeezy Japanesey. So go ahead and do that, guys, and enjoy your free Microsoft Rewards points. Jason out. Peace.